Imagine spending thousands of dollars on your dream cruise, only to be told you can't board the ship. It happens more often than most passengers realize, and in many cases, the problem isn't your reservation. It's a simple mistake that could have been prevented. From passport issues and missing travel documents to health requirements, prohibited items, and last-minute check-in problems, cruise lines are becoming stricter than ever in 2026. In this video, we're counting down 11 shocking reasons passengers are denied boarding, and how you can avoid making the same costly mistakes. Some of these reasons are surprisingly common. And trust me, the number one mistake has ruined vacations for countless travelers before they ever stepped on board. Number 11. The criminal history ambush. Many cruise passengers assume that once they've booked and paid, they're guaranteed to board. Not always. Some countries have entry requirements that can affect travelers with certain criminal convictions. Because many cruises visit multiple international ports, passengers must meet not only the cruise line's policies but also the immigration rules of the countries on the itinerary. In some cases, a traveler may be denied boarding before the ship even leaves if they don't meet those entry requirements. The frustrating part is that many passengers don't realize this until just days, or even hours before departure. Experienced cruisers research the entry rules for every country they'll be visiting, especially if they have any legal history that could affect international travel. A little preparation can prevent a very expensive surprise at the cruise terminal. Key point: your booking confirmation doesn't guarantee entry into every country on your itinerary. Immigration requirements matter just as much, but legal history isn't the most common reason passengers are turned away. Because next, we're revealing a simple document mistake that catches thousands of cruise travelers every year. Number 10. The passport expiration shock. One of the most heartbreaking reasons passengers are denied boarding has nothing to do with forgetting a passport. It's bringing one that doesn't meet the destination's entry requirements. Many travelers assume that if their passport is valid through the end of their cruise, they're good to go. Unfortunately, several countries require passports to remain valid for at least 6 months beyond the date of entry or departure. If your itinerary includes one of those destinations, the cruise line may refuse boarding because you could be denied entry at a future port. Experienced cruisers check passport expiration dates months before sailing, not weeks. Many even renew their passports early to avoid last-minute surprises and unnecessary stress. A passport that expires soon might still be perfectly legal, but it may not be acceptable for international cruise travel. Key point: don't just ask, "Is my passport valid?" Ask, "Is it valid long enough for every country on my itinerary?" But passport expiration isn't the easiest mistake to avoid. Because next, we're revealing how a simple check-in deadline has caused countless passengers to watch their cruise sail away without them. Number 9. The hygiene rejection policy. Cruise ships carry thousands of passengers in a shared environment, making health and sanitation a top priority. That's why cruise lines reserve the right to deny boarding to passengers who appear to have symptoms of a contagious illness, or who may pose a health risk to others on board. This isn't about personal cleanliness, it's about protecting everyone on the ship. During check-in, passengers may be asked health-related questions or observed for signs of illness. If someone appears seriously unwell, they may be referred for further medical evaluation before being allowed to board. While most travelers never experience this, it's an important reminder that cruise lines take public health seriously. If you're feeling sick before you're sailing, it's far better to contact the cruise line in advance than risk being turned away at the terminal. Key point: cruise lines can refuse boarding if they reasonably believe a passenger's health could endanger others on board. But health concerns aren't the only thing that can stop your vacation before it begins. Because next, we're revealing a luggage mistake that has caught countless cruise passengers completely off guard. Number 8. The malicious cancellation trap. Imagine arriving at the cruise terminal only to discover your reservation has been canceled. It sounds unbelievable, but booking mistakes, payment disputes, fraudulent reservations, or unauthorized changes can occasionally create serious problems before boarding. Sometimes a final payment doesn't process correctly. Other times, a travel agency error, an expired credit card, or even a misunderstanding about booking terms can result in a reservation being canceled without the passenger realizing it. Experienced cruisers don't assume everything is fine just because they booked months ago. A week before sailing, they verify their reservation, confirm final payment has been received, review their booking details, and make sure all travel documents match the reservation exactly. Those few minutes can prevent hours of panic at the terminal. Key point: always confirm your reservation status before leaving home. Don't wait until you arrive at the cruise port to discover there's a problem. But booking issues aren't the most surprising reason passengers are denied boarding. Because next, we're revealing how a simple mistake during online check-in has caused travelers to miss their cruise before they even reach the ship. Number 7. The booking detail disaster. Sometimes the biggest travel mistake isn't forgetting your passport. It's entering the wrong information when you book. A misspelled name, incorrect birth date, outdated passport number, or mismatch between your reservation and travel documents can create major problems during check-in. Cruise lines require passenger information to match official identification as closely as possible. Experienced cruisers review every booking detail weeks before departure instead of assuming everything is correct. Correcting a small error early is much easier than trying to fix it at the cruise terminal. Key point: even a simple typo can delay check-in or prevent boarding if your reservation doesn't match your travel documents. But booking errors aren't the most frustrating reason passengers miss their cruise. Because next, we're revealing a check-in deadline that catches travelers off guard every year. Quick question: have you ever had a problem checking in for a cruise? Maybe a document issue, a long delay, or a last-minute surprise at the terminal? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you're finding these cruise travel tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Because coming up, we're revealing the most overlooked boarding mistakes. From health requirements and prohibited items to the #1 reason passengers are turned away despite having a confirmed reservation. And trust me, it's much more common than most travelers think. Number 6. The perfect document deception. Everything looks perfect. Your passport is valid. Your boarding pass is printed. Your reservation is confirmed. So what could possibly go wrong? Sometimes the problem isn't whether you have the required documents, it's whether they all match. A passport with an old legal name, a boarding reservation missing a middle name, an outdated passport number, or an expired visa linked to an international itinerary can all trigger delays during check-in. Cruise lines carefully verify passenger information because they must comply with immigration requirements at every port of call. If something doesn't match, boarding may be delayed while the issue is investigated, or in some cases, denied altogether. That's why experienced cruisers compare every document before traveling, making sure names, dates of birth, passport details, and reservation information are completely consistent. A 5-minute review at home is far easier than trying to correct an error at the cruise terminal. Key point: having every required document isn't enough. They also need to match each other exactly. But document mismatches aren't the biggest surprise waiting at the terminal. Because next, we're revealing a travel habit that has caused passengers with valid reservations to miss their cruise entirely. Number 5. The terminal health ambush. You made it to the cruise terminal. Your luggage is checked, your passport is ready, and boarding is only minutes away. Then a simple health concern changes everything. Cruise lines have the responsibility to protect thousands of passengers and crew living together in a shared environment. If a traveler appears seriously ill or reports symptoms that could indicate a contagious disease, the cruise line may require additional medical screening before allowing them to board. In some situations, passengers may even be denied boarding if medical staff determine they could pose a health risk to others on board. That's why experienced cruisers don't ignore flu-like symptoms before departure. If you're feeling unwell, it's often better to contact the cruise line before arriving at the terminal rather than hoping the issue goes unnoticed. Being proactive can save time, reduce stress, and help you understand your available options. Key point: feeling sick on embarkation day isn't just uncomfortable. It can affect whether you're allowed to board the ship. But health screenings aren't the biggest surprise waiting at the terminal. Because next, we're revealing a timing mistake that has left thousands of passengers watching their cruise sail away without them. Number 4. The age trap ambush. Many travelers believe age is just a number when it comes to cruising. Not always. Some cruise itineraries, adventure excursions, and travel insurance policies have age-related requirements or medical recommendations that can affect your trip. In some cases, passengers may be asked to provide additional medical information or meet specific conditions before sailing. Experienced cruisers don't wait until embarkation day to review these requirements. They carefully check the cruise line's policies, excursion rules, and travel insurance terms well before departure to avoid unexpected surprises. Key point: age alone won't stop you from cruising, but certain itineraries and activities may have additional requirements that are easy to overlook. But age-related policies aren't the biggest reason passengers are denied boarding. Because next, we're revealing a payment issue that has ruined vacations before travelers even reached the ship. Number 3. The clothing violation catastrophe. Most cruise passengers pack for comfort, but some clothing choices can create unexpected problems. Many cruise lines enforce dress codes in certain restaurants, theaters, and special events. Swimwear in indoor dining areas, bare feet, offensive graphics, or inappropriate attire may result in passengers being refused entry. In rare cases, denied boarding if clothing violates safety or conduct policies during embarkation. Experienced cruisers review the cruise line's dress code before packing instead of assuming anything goes. A few simple wardrobe choices can save embarrassment and help you enjoy every part of the ship without unnecessary restrictions. Key point: packing the right clothes isn't just about fashion. It can determine where you're allowed to go and what experiences you can enjoy on board. But dress code violations aren't the biggest mistake passengers make. Because next, we're revealing a document oversight that has ended vacations before they even began. Number 2. The overbooking nightmare. Most people associate overbooking with airlines, but it can occasionally affect cruise vacations too. While cruise lines carefully manage passenger capacity, unexpected booking errors, operational changes, or last-minute cabin issues can sometimes create difficult situations. In rare cases, passengers may be offered compensation or alternative sailings if the ship cannot accommodate every reservation. Although true overbooking is uncommon, experienced cruisers know there are other situations that can produce similar results, such as chartered sailings, itinerary changes, or operational disruptions. That's why they always monitor emails from the cruise line before departure and complete online check-in as early as possible. Keeping copies of your booking confirmation, payment receipts, and travel documents can also help resolve unexpected issues more quickly if questions arise at the terminal. Preparation won't eliminate every surprise, but it gives you the best chance of protecting your vacation. Key point: a confirmed reservation is important, but staying informed before departure is just as critical if unexpected operational changes occur. But even overbooking isn't the most common reason passengers are denied boarding. Because number 1 is a simple mistake that travelers make every single day, and it can end a vacation before it even begins. Number 1. The credit card dispute revenge. Imagine arriving at the cruise terminal with a confirmed reservation, only to discover your booking has been canceled because of a payment issue. One overlooked reason this can happen is an unresolved credit card dispute or reversed payment. If a payment is declined, charged back, or later disputed without being resolved, the cruise line may cancel the reservation according to its booking terms. Many passengers don't realize there's a problem until check-in. That's why experienced cruisers monitor their payment confirmations, ensure final balances are paid on time, and contact the cruise line immediately if they notice any billing issues. Key point: always verify that your final payment has been successfully processed and that there are no unresolved billing disputes before your sailing date. And now you know the 11 shocking reasons cruise passengers can be denied boarding in 2026. A few minutes of preparation today could save your entire vacation tomorrow. So, which of these boarding mistakes surprised you the most? Was it the passport rules, the health screening, the booking errors, or the payment issues? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise secrets, travel updates, and insider tips to help you avoid costly mistakes before your next vacation. Before you book your next cruise, check out the video on your screen now. Because when it comes to cruising, the biggest mistakes usually happen before you ever step on board, and knowing them in advance could save your entire trip.